Alright, there's been some confusion as to how to do multi-step equations. So this is just a little helper course for those of you that may be struggling with multi-step equations. So I'm going to work through a few with you. If you recall, our first step was always to get the variables to one side and numbers to the other. And our second step is to multiply or divide whatever the opposite operation is. So here is an example for you. If I were to say 3x plus 7 equals, I'll say 37. The first thing you want to do is get the variables to one side and the numbers to the other. So the variable is right here. The number is here, so we want to get it over to the same side as the other number. So we subtract 7 from both sides and get 3x equals 30. Now we're back to a simple one-step equation. We multiply or divide. Right now this is 3 times x. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. And you get that x equals 10. If you have a different type of exercise, like, I don't know, let's say 2x minus 5 equals 27, here instead of subtracting, you're adding, because the opposite of subtracting is adding. And 2x equals 32. Now you have 2 times what equals 32, so you would divide by 2. And x equals 16. That's the basics of it. If you have negative numbers, you would divide by negative numbers. If you were to have something like 7 minus 2x equals 15, this is a positive 7, so you would subtract 7 and get negative 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by negative 2, and that would be negative 4. If you're struggling with integers, then that would be tricky, but otherwise should be pretty straightforward. If you have any further questions or anything more specific, I'll be following up this video with other multi-step videos, including fractions. Who doesn't have fun with fractions? Thank you.